Welcome to the Augmented Career, where your future meets AI right here. New tools, new skills, don't fear the change. Let's get to work. It's a brand new day.
Okay, let's jump straight in. We're looking at this really quiet but huge shift happening in, professional value. Basically, who's getting noticed at work and why. It's changing.
Yeah, it really is. Our mission today is sort of unpacking the evidence showing how AI skills, real capability, are starting to, well, frankly, replace old school credentials like the MBA.
Right. And the main thing we're seeing, it's not about the fancy titles anymore or, the longest resume. It's the people who can actually use AI to do better work, like right now, today.
Exactly. The value isn't some far-off theory. It's immediate. People are using this stuff to augment their intelligence and deliver results that are just better, measurably better.
If you think back, the old script was pretty predictable, wasn't it? You did college, got some experience, maybe slogged through an MBA. That degree, that piece of paper, it was kind of the ultimate symbol of leverage. Back when business moved slower, information was harder to get. You climbed that ladder.
Step by step. But now, that ladder is, well, someone we read said it's on fire, which is quite the image. The new way up is through raw capability. What can you actually do? And AI proficiency, that's becoming the common tongue for productivity.
Why? Because it makes you instantly more capable, right where you are in your specific job.
Precisely. It's capability in context.
And then we're seeing concrete examples of this everywhere. Think about a marketer. They can use these generative tools to brainstorm ideas, test concepts, and actually ship a whole campaign. Maybe in just a day.
Or take a finance analyst. They can automate all that tedious reporting work that used to take ages. Suddenly their time frees up. They can focus on the bigger picture, on strategy.
What about recruitment?
Oh yeah, recruiters using AI. They can screen candidates, match skills. It's almost superhuman speed, turning weeks into like an afternoon. Or a product manager, maybe sketching out wireframes, user flows for a new app feature, all before lunch. It's that fast.
The striking thing in all these examples, though, nobody needed to go back to school for 2 years.
No. They didn't need a new degree costing 6 figures. They needed a better way to think, a new interface with intelligence, you could say, and AI gives them that interface.
So are we really saying that something you learn over a weekend, getting good with these tools, can genuinely compete with a 2-year MBA?
In terms of immediate output and leverage, increasingly, yes. Because the real value unlock isn't just knowledge, it's knowing how to think with these machines, how to generate valuable output like right now.
Okay, so that leads us to these sort of new rules of work.
Yeah.
Old playbooks getting tossed out. Rule 1 seems to be shift from credentials prove capability to, well, output proves capability. Simple as that.
And that flips learning on its head, too. It used to be learn once, apply forever, or for a long time anyway. Now it's got to be learn continuously, apply instantly. Things just move too fast otherwise.
Which also changes what leadership looks like, right?
Totally. Managers used to primarily manage people. Now the best leaders are becoming orchestrators. They manage systems made of people, processes, and tools, specifically AI, and the system rewards results that are, compounded by those tools.
So if capability is the new king, what exactly is AI proficiency? Because it's not just about typing prompts into a chatbot, is it?
No, definitely not. It gets confused with that sometimes. But true proficiency isn't about memorizing prompts or knowing every single new app that pops up. It's more fundamental. It's knowing how to direct intelligence.
Direct intelligence means?
Meaning you combine your understanding of the context, what you're trying to achieve your goals, and the right tools, the right AI agents, to create something genuinely useful, a meaningful outcome. You're learning to treat AI like a specialist collaborator for, well, almost any task.
So it's about orchestrating all these elements, people, process, AI.
Exactly that. Orchestration. The people who really succeed in the next few years, they'll be the master orchestrators of these ecosystems. Think about it. MBA programs teach you how to manage and organize human systems. AI proficiency teaches you how to augment those systems, often dramatically.
Okay, so for anyone listening who wants to, stay relevant, future-proof things, what's the actionable advice?
Start small, but start real. Use AI for actual work tasks. Things that deliver value. Don't just keep it in the experimental box forever.
Get it out of the sandbox.
Right. And focus on asking yourself a better question. Not just, how can AI help me type faster, but how could AI help me think faster, think better? And this is crucial. Document what actually works for you. Build your own personal playbook of leverage. Note down those winning combos of context, goals, tools.
You can reuse them, refine them. It's about adapting constantly. That seems to be the real key here, adaptability.
Absolutely. And AI gives you this incredibly fast feedback loop for learning, probably the fastest the working world has ever seen.
Okay, let's wrap up with a final thought.
Right. Here's something to chew on, and it comes straight from the stuff we've been reading. Degrees certify what you learned in the past. AI proficiency proves what you can do right now. Big difference.
That's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, be sure to follow us wherever you listen to podcasts so you never miss what's next. And if you want extra tools, tutorials, and deep dive articles, head over to the Augmented Career Home on Substack.